Okay, so today as part of our knife testing, we're going to use the Dalstrong knife, and we're going to break down a chicken into 8 equal pieces. Start out by just making a nice cut right along the skin on the thigh. Run the knife up in that little piece of meat there. Dislocate the thigh as you come through. There's 2 pieces of dark meat. Find the spot right there that'll take you right through the joint. There's 2. Bring the knife again down into the back. Dislocate the thigh. Come right across. Take the knife down. And there's 4 pieces of dark meat. We're going to separate the rib cage from the back by following that fat line right down along the ribs. We're going to take it a little bit deeper into the body and then snap it. And we can just take this back right off. So it's a good test of the knife for cutting through tissue and bones. We set that aside. That's going to be roasted to make stock. Now we want to cleave the breastbone. So lay your knife right there. Quick little push. We want about 1/3 of the meat to the wing side. Again, we're cutting through the bone. And then we want, same on this, about 1/3 of the meat to the wing side. And there we have it. 8 pieces of chicken, a back to be roasted and made into stock, and a good solid knife.